The SUNLU AMS Heater Upgrade turns a standard Bambu Lab automatic material system into an actively heated, low-humidity chamber that keeps a wide range of filaments dry while printing. Its efficient positive temperature coefficient heater and dual airflow layout bring the enclosure up to around 70 degrees Celsius quickly and evenly, avoiding hot spots that could distort spools or the AMS housing. By maintaining consistently dry filament, this add-on sharply reduces common moisture issues like popping, stringing, and weak layer bonding, leading to cleaner surfaces and stronger functional parts. Installation is genuinely simple, dropping into the existing AMS without extra brackets or enclosure space, so you gain active drying without reworking your printer setup. The integrated humidity control offers both timed and automatic modes with adjustable relative humidity targets, allowing you to tune drying aggressiveness for materials from basic polylactic acid to more sensitive nylons. Built-in temperature and fan monitoring with automatic shutoff for overheat or fault conditions adds a reassuring layer of safety for long unattended prints.